Jean, you look so depressed. What's wrong?
Oh, it's already November. December is coming. Time flies.
What do you mean, flies? We've been past 12 months every year.
What I have done this year, I barely remember.
I don't need to memorize. I personally use this diary.
Oh, it sounds so tired.
Why don't you make some plan?
How?
Right on here. For the last month of 2024.
Okay.
So, are you done?
Sure, it's not a big deal.
Okay, let me see. Okay, can you explain me about this?
Okay, look. Only in the month, I will hang out with my friends. And at mid-month, I will have a party. End of the month, I will going to spend with my family. That's all.
Okay, is that what you got?
What do you mean? I think it's perfect.
Okay, I'll show you my schedule.
Oh, you are so crazy.
Look at here. I have appointments 1st, 8th, 13th, 21st, and 22nd. And I have a party 22nd to 25th. Okay? And I'm going to spend time with family in 29th for New Year. What a perfect plan.
How do you so sure before December?
Jing Jing, it's obvious.
And then?
Playing golf, watching movie, or cleaning days. Yeah, just spend time for myself. I can't make this without planner.
You have perfect December. I have no idea.
What is your biggest event in December?
Party!
Okay, I'll let you know how to make an invitation card.
I know how to do. Just send a catalog, right?
Oh no, look at this.
Wow, nice! How could I make this?
Okay, let me help you. Show your theme of the party and write a title, okay? Write your message and concept, time, address, map, or dress code.
Oh, I see. I want to make it now.
Okay.
Oh, I'm done. Look at this.
Excellent. Now you are perfect J.
초대장 작성 30초 마스터. 먼저 헤더입니다. 헤더에는 초대장의 제목과 보낸 사람 정보가 포함됩니다. 제목은 행사 주제를 간단히 나타내고 보낸 사람의 이름, 직함, 연락처 등이 들어갑니다. 다음은 본문입니다. 본문에는 초대받은 사람, 행사 내용, 주최 측 정보, 날짜와 장소, 기타 안내가 포함됩니다. 마지막으로 마무리입니다. 마무리에는 감사의 인사와 교통편 안내가 들어갑니다. 행사에 참석해준 것에 대한 감사와 장소를 찾을 수 있는 방법을 알려줍니다. 초대장 작성 시 참고하시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다.